Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something crucial for all you young professionals out there, the India Budget 2024. Now, before you click away, trust me, understanding this budget can really help you make smarter financial decisions. So, let's break it down. First off, the biggest headline. The government is focusing on digital infrastructure. They're allocating a whopping Rs 10,000 crores to improve internet connectivity in rural areas. This move could boost online businesses and remote work opportunities, making it easier for you to work from literally anywhere. Next, let's talk about tax reforms. The finance minister announced some major changes. For individual taxpayers, the income tax slabs have been revised. Now, the basic exemption limit is increased to Rs 3 lakhs. This means more money in your pocket, which is always a good thing. Now, onto something that's been a hot topic. The introduction of a new startup fund. The government is setting aside Rs 5,000 crores specifically for startups in tech and green energy. If you've got a business idea brewing, this could be your golden ticket. Let's not forget about the education sector. An additional Rs 2,000 crores have been allocated towards skill development programs. This is aimed at making the workforce more adaptable to the evolving job market. So, if you're thinking about upskilling, now's a great time. The budget also addressed healthcare. With Rs 15,000 crores earmarked for healthcare infrastructure, there's a strong focus on improving medical facilities in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Better healthcare means a healthier workforce, which benefits everyone. Lastly, let's touch on the economic impact. Economists predict that these measures could accelerate India's GDP growth to around 7.5% in the coming year. That's significant, especially if you're looking to invest or expand your career in India. So, there you have it, folks. The India Budget 2024 is packed with opportunities and changes that could directly affect your professional life. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.